Elon Musk claims that by 2040, we will have around 1 billion humanoids among us. A group of Swiss researchers is developing an Avocato Robot for environmental monitoring. The combination of artificial intelligence and a living cell assay proposes medicines for indestructible cancer targets. Artificial intelligence learns through the eyes and ears of a child. A new bulletproof exoskeleton has been created. All this and much more now on the ST Daily Planet. A group of Swiss researchers is developing an environmental monitoring robot called Avocato, inspired by repelling spiders. This fruit-shaped robot uses a winch and rotors to move through treetops and collect data about life in the treetops. The prototype, created by ETH Zurich's Environmental Robotics Laboratory, has a winch and two tri-directional rotors embedded in its 3D printed structure, giving it the appearance of a large avocado. The idea is to tie the robot to a high branch in the tree canopy and lower it using a battery-powered servo motor that controls the winch. The robot has a camera on the bottom of its structure, and if it detects an obstacle during descent, the rotors are activated to navigate around it. This gives the robot some advantages over existing monitoring techniques, such as drones that risk getting stuck in dense foliage, and climbing robots that may struggle to navigate different-sized branches or maintain grip on slippery surfaces. Currently, the prototype has been tested in the laboratory and on a tree in nature. However, it still requires someone to climb to the top of the tree and tie the robot. In the future, it could be attached to a drone, which will take it to hard-to-reach areas and anchor it high in the trees so that it can start its descent and collect data, representing a significant innovation in the field of environmental robotics. Biochemist and molecular geneticist professor at the University of Toronto, Igor Stagliar, PhD, has partnered with In Silico Medicine, a clinically oriented artificial intelligence drug discovery company. They aim to test the effectiveness of AI-designed molecules from In Silico against indestructible targets, disease targets that were beyond the reach of conventional therapy. The collaboration involves testing 15 to 20 indestructible targets using cell-based assays developed in Professor Stagliar's laboratory. In Silico's Pharma.ai platform will be used to design new small molecule drugs aimed at disrupting the progression of diseases, especially uncontrollable cancer targets such as CRAS, a cancer-causing gene frequently mutated in various cancer types. The researchers will use two innovative technologies, MAMTH-DS and Simple, to test the validity of the designed molecules. MAMTH-DS is a live cell platform designed for the identification and monitoring of IBPs in cell membranes, while Simple is a new technology that uses a split intine as a sensor for PPI detection and can be applied to virtually any human protein in any cell lineage. Moreover, these live assays are inexpensive to produce and capable of screening up to 10,000 molecules per week. The use of these live assays has the potential to reduce the drug validation process from 5 years to a matter of months. In summary, this partnership aims to develop and test new AI-designed drugs against very difficult targets, especially cancer targets. Amazing, isn't it? Elon Musk agrees with a prediction about humanoid robots that left many people frightened. It all started with a tweet from the founder of Midjourney, David Holtz, who predicted that by the 2040s, we should expect 1 billion humanoid robots on Earth. And to the surprise of many, Musk responded that this would be possible, provided the fundamentals of civilization are stable. Although this prediction may seem exaggerated, many technology experts believe that artificial intelligence and robots will increasingly be present in our daily lives. Just imagine having a robot to clean your entire yard. Well, do you agree with this vision of 2040? Let us know in the comments. Artificial intelligence, AI systems, such as GPT-4, are being integrated into human language learning. Researchers at New York University conducted an experiment by training a multimodal AI model through the eyes and ears of a single child, using video recordings from 6 months to the second birthday. The research aimed to determine if the AI model could learn words and concepts from a child's everyday experience with a limited amount of data. Surprisingly, even with only about 1% of the child's surveillance hours captured on video, the model demonstrated the ability to learn a significant number of words and concepts. Researchers used a contrastive learning approach, training the multimodal neural network with two modules, one to capture video frames and another to capture transcribed speech directed at the child. The results indicated that the model was able to generalize some words to different visual instances than those observed during training. These findings suggest that by using naturalistic data and generic learning mechanisms in neural networks, it is possible to gain a deeper understanding of language acquisition in children. The study highlights the feasibility of applying AI models to study the actual language learning process in children, paving the way to explore fundamental questions about the necessary ingredients for word learning and possibly accelerating this process. Developed through a collaborative effort between Mailer Protection, Mawashi Science and Technology, and GIGN, an elite tactical police unit of the French National Gendarmerie, this innovative product is meticulously crafted to provide high-level ballistic protection without imposing additional weight on the operator. Functioning as a passive exoskeleton, this technology alleviates physical strain and prevents injuries in police or military operations. It operates without the need for external power sources, making it perfect for extended missions or remote locations, eliminating the need for heavy batteries and charging equipment. And it doesn't end there. It also has an entire ergonomic and flexible structure, from the spine, knees, ankles, hips, allowing it to offer good mobility for specific missions. Those were today's updates. I hope you enjoyed them. If you want to stay updated on new sciences and technologies, I invite you to subscribe to our channel to keep up. Thank you for your attention, and until the next video.